What is up, Cryptonetics? I just wanted to do a quick little update because in the times of uncertainty like we're in right now for the past day or two, I like taking a look back at what happened, doing a rehearsal, just seeing how things played out because emotions can get trapped in moves like these, in violent moves like these, especially if you're long or short on alts. So yeah, I find this to be the perfect time to just go over where we are and what can happen in the future. So yeah, this just happened in the matter of like 3 or 4 hours, so it's not looking good, bruv. As you can see, the chart we have here, it's quite messy, as you might see. So just to clear things up, I purposely painted it in different colors because it's easier to recognize which color represents what. So yeah, if we go to the like daily chart or something, you can see that this gray box is the main one. It's the main SR level between 42 and 43k. So it's been a pivotal point, at least up until now. So we need to hold the gray line, the gray level, if we want Bitcoin and alts to go up. And this red line represents the actual resistance between 43.8 and 44.7. And I've marked it out a few days back, maybe a few weeks back, I don't know. And we actually still haven't managed to get over it. So that is something that we can play off from. And this blue level is just a smaller time frame pivot point. So yeah, resistance here, support here, broke through, became resistance for some amount of time. Resistance again, broke through, became support, broke through, became support, and now resistance. So just felt like it would be nice to clarify things up so it's easier to follow the chart. So you might remember me saying like 2 or 3 days ago, it was around here when price was trading under the 43k level. I said that Bitcoin actually needs to perform here between the zones above the key level of 42.976. Doesn't matter if it's the exact number, but somewhere around there, because it's the biggest level we have for Bitcoin at least. And during that time, that alts would actually go crazy, and that's exactly what happened. Like Bitcoin reclaimed the level, went up above. My drawing went something along the lines of this, just ranging here, which is exactly what happened. But it didn't play out perfectly because the drops were extremely violent, and the grind up was slow. So at least for Bitcoin it wasn't perfect, while for alts it was somewhat better. And it's been a never-ending cycle of Bitcoin just fucking alts up and alts fucking Bitcoin up. So I guess it's time to do it again, like running back turbo from here. I don't know. But yeah, 42k is extremely important. If it actually proves as a resistance here, I don't know. There's not a single reason not to retest the 40.5 level, as well as this massive trend line that we've got going for, I mean, months at this point at least. It's not been retested once, so would make sense to retest the line and maybe go up from there, I don't know. And it was 3 days ago that SZ posted this. And I was like, yeah, maybe range up until Friday. On Friday, break down, and then we can give recovery. So even though I'm not the biggest fan of the situation that I predicted, it's been perfect. Like this was posted the 26th, and the 26th is here. Bitcoin was ranging somewhat, and just as Friday came, it crashed completely, flushed at the alts. Let me see it. ETHBTC. Yeah, ETHBTC is holding up somewhat. I mean, it's been dropping, but doesn't look half bad. So, oh wait, so yeah, I don't know. New Year is coming, yearly close, monthly close, weekly close even. Absolutely huge for the markets, and I think they just fucked the markets up until then. So I don't know if I want to be trading it. I'm not even sure, but I'll probably be doing some altcoin trading, at least if we reclaim 42k. Because if we manage to reclaim 42k from here, maybe try to claim 43k or even just stay ranging here, it would make alts go crazy, because alts have been gaining strength the past few days, maybe even weeks. So they just need some compliance with Bitcoin, and that's what will get them to rally. If we somehow manage to reclaim 43k, also will go even crazier. But let's play it level by level. Even though Bitcoin moves extremely quickly in the past few days, we still want to play it and keep it level to level, just because that reduces our risk. So even just by looking at this dotted line that we're currently trading, you can see how much we're on an edge of a cliff. Like, it's held 3 times since the 18th of December. 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. If we fall 40.5, I'm like 90% sure it gets retested. So that's something to keep an eye on. And just to run over some alts quickly. ING, I'm not gonna lie, I've longed this shitcoin for 3 times or even more, and I just got fucked because I long somewhere around here, get stopped around here, because I don't put a lot of money into the position, and I go high leverage because it's pretty overextended. But just looking at this picture, it gives me a vibe of distribution, and I've gone out of long in it. Luna on the other hand seems to be at support around here. So if Bitcoin manages to go up, I think Luna will maybe retest like 0.93, maybe even this level. I don't think it goes much above, at least if Bitcoin doesn't go to 48k, which it might, who knows. Here is a great coin. Like, here is a crucial level, because it's been a pivotal level up until now. I don't like the fact that it broke through 7.8. I wanted to get 10. That's where I would sell some of it. But yeah, with this coin, the lower it goes, the more you should buy, and just hold. Like, just hold. Sell maybe into 20s, maybe into 40s, maybe it goes to 100. Like, I actually believe in this project. So the thing I will do, like, not financial advice, but the thing I will do is just start piling up on some peer. What is also interesting, yeah, Bonk went down like fucking crazy. Bonk went down 65%. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm long on this shitcoin, especially now after this bullish retest. Like, perfect execution. Even now, it might not be too late to long it. Like, maybe to this level, maybe here, like somewhere around here. And if you plan on making it a swing, which I'm not doing here, like swing longs with Bitcoin looking like it's in distribution, I'm not a fan of that. So maybe some short-term play, like 1AX leverage. Yeah, this will get you 400%. So no reason not to do this. And yeah, this shitcoin, SZ put it on my radar, and I don't know how I feel about this, because you can see the obvious resistance level has just been turned into support somewhat. Like, it's not even confirmed yet, but I like it for now. But then again, we got a low. Wait, let me highlight this. We got a low here. We got a higher low. I mean, I don't know if you can count this as a higher low, but even worse if you can. and a lower low then, and this made me go out of my position. Like, I don't like seeing lower lows getting formed, even on the lower time frames. Like, that is something that just stops my attraction to going long. And I don't know. This needs to get reclaimed. If this gets reclaimed, like, I think it goes to extreme highs. Like, it can do a Solana type of move, like something like this. But until then, I'm not that sure in Loopring. And yeah, Solana. That's a coin I've been keeping an eye on, even though I haven't traded it too much. I kind of like how it looks. Like the fact that it managed to claim this key level as a support is something I like. But then again, it's been so fucking overextended that I'm not quite sure if I want to trade it. And at least for now, my bias is towards the upside. Maybe we can retest. Maybe we can retest the $115 to $120 per coin, but I wouldn't go in too hard. At least that's what I can say. Just keep your risk low. Like, it's the market is so uncertain at the current time that you don't want to be overextended. You don't want to be over emotional and overexposed to the market. I'm not quite in the position to short here. Like, even though we're under major SR level, I'm not keen on shorting, just because it's the 29th of the month, and there is just not enough reason to short. Like, even though if we retest this, also will go to the downside like 15%, maybe a bit lower, but like 10%. I would play it towards the long side, just to wait out for the retest to actually end, and just long from there. And you should be Gucci. Like, put your stops below 29.8 and you're good to go. Like, the new year is coming, spend some time with your family and friends, and just have fun. Like, the markets will always stay there. You don't need to be around for every single fucking move. That's how you lose money. And the best advice I can give you is, when you feel tired, just stop for a few days. Like, you will come back to the markets and feel better than ever. So that's something I've been doing lately. Like, when I feel burnt out, I just stop for a few days. Do whatever. Do your day job. Do whatever. Just stop looking at the charts, come back, and you'll trade better than ever. Happy New Year's, happy holidays. I wish everyone has a fun time with their family and friends. And I'll see you guys in the next one.